Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon here. In this video, I show you how to create this look by using the Urban Decay Naked Smoky Palette. If you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do, but let's get started. To start off this look, I am shaping up my eyebrows. I do this by outlining them with the Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer in the color Almond. I use the concealer brush to outline the brows and then gently brush them out with the concealer. And then I use a flat concealer or foundation brush to just gently blend them out. I like this method because it's faster and it honestly just looks more natural in my opinion. Next, I'm taking this Revlon brush and my LA Girl Pro Pomade in the color dark brown and filling in my eyebrows and gently outlining them as well to make them stand out more and kind of frame my face. For my foundation, I am using the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the color Cappuccino. I love this foundation because it blends out so well. It dries down to just a really nice flat matte foundation. It's not too dry and it doesn't look too cakey at all.
Knockout. You win.
For concealer, I use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate concealer in the color C14.5. This concealer is my go-to for my oily skin because it's super duper thick. And this thick formula does an amazing job at just making sure it stays in place all day. So of course, in order to make sure that your concealer stays in place all day, you need to set it with a powder, and that is what I'm doing with my Coty Airspun translucent powder. I use it to set my concealer as well as set my eyelids in order to prep them for eyeshadow. Alright, and lastly, before we get into the eyeshadow, I use the Black Radiance Contour Palette. You guys know I am obsessed with this palette. It's a powder formula, so I just love this palette. Next, what you guys came here for is the Smoky Eye palette. So I'm going to be using this color Smolder to build up in my crease. Now this is a really deep, dark purpley color, but I take my time blending it out so that way I can use it as a transition color. So I cut out a lot, but just make sure that you guys are really taking your time to blend it out. And next, I'm going in with this beautiful color called Black Market on my lids just to give it that real smoky look. And then I'm going to go back into my crease with this color Slant. I know it looks a little ashy, but it's just the blending shade to just bring it all together. But side note, guys, do you guys see any fallout anywhere? None whatsoever. That's why I love this palette. The formula is just so great that it's like I was able to do my foundation before applying eyeshadow. I'm going in with eyeliner. For my bottom lash line, I am using the Revlon eyeliner, and for my top lash line, I am using the e.l.f. Intense eyeliner. And lastly, I'm going in with my favorite mascara, which is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. I love this mascara. It's going to give me a super dramatic look to finish this look off. And yeah, guys, that is it for this look. What do you guys think? Comment down below telling me if you guys think you could pull this look off, if it's too simple, if it's too much. Let me know. I want to hear from you guys. I will link some other makeup looks down below But that is it for this video. Just comment down below again, let me know what you think. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!